just all over the world. I see. This is soursop. Yes, it's inside my house for a reason. Remember, soursop will know spiritual and health benefits. And I will explain more of health benefits now. Then, if you want to know more about the spiritual benefits, you join me on my page. I will explain in detail. Health benefit of soursop is of great benefit for us that are into herbal medicine. Is an immune booster because it's very rich in vitamin C. It helps in so many ways. Uh, it helps to correct inflammation. It helps to boost your immune. But however, a pregnant woman should not take it, and you should not take it. You should not abuse it, as you all know. In any medicine, everything requires moderation. Swansop leaf is one of those leaves that virtually we do add them in our medicines. More than I show, I na add them here. Or depend on the ammonia. Yes. On the enyaka na eliminate free radicals. Ọ na-enye aka ọ bụrụ na onye nwere pathogens ma ọ bụ na mmadụ na-enwe ndị nwere like cancer patients. Ọ bụrụ na mmadụ nwere all a great benefit ọ bụrụ sọ na soursop only soursop, both even the seed is a whole medicine. Both soursop itself highly medicinal, both the seed highly medicinal, both the leaves highly medicinal. So it helps in treating some of those illness um, that cause inflammation, like cancer and rest of them. But I would advise you, whenever you want to make use of soursop, contact whoever that knows how to mix it. Like I said, moderation must be involved. Then for cleansing and spiritual benefit, like I told you before, soursop is right inside my compound. And for a reason, because it has spiritual benefit of warding off other negative vibration and purification. So you join me on my page. I'll be able to tell you some of those spiritual benefits you get from making use of pineapple soursop leaves. Thank you.